Welcome back to Bountiful Homestead, your guide to living a more self-sufficient and sustainable life. Today, we're talking about a topic that will not only help us save money but also connect us more deeply with the natural world and our community. Let's dig into the how-to of creating a bountiful homestead, step by step. Starting with your garden. Your journey begins with the soil under your feet. Turning a portion of your yard into a vegetable garden is your first step towards self-sufficiency. Start small, choosing easy-to-grow vegetables that are known for their yield and resilience. Think tomatoes, bell peppers, and leafy greens. Incorporate companion planting to naturally deter pests and enhance growth. Remember, your garden's success is measured not just by the harvest but by what you learn through each season. Next, let's introduce some life to our homestead with backyard livestock. Chickens are a great starting point. They provide eggs, pest control, and composting assistance. If you have more space, consider rabbits for their meat and goats for milk. Each animal requires specific care, so research and preparation are key. Ensure you understand their space, dietary, and health needs. Engaging with local farming communities or online forums can be incredibly helpful here. Now, let's turn indoors. Replacing commercial household cleaners and personal care products with homemade alternatives is not only cost-effective but healthier. Start with simple recipes for soap or all-purpose cleaners using natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. As you get more comfortable, you can experiment with more complex products. The goal is to reduce reliance on store-bought items, minimizing both cost and waste. Implementing renewable energy and water conservation. Adopting renewable energy solutions, like solar panels, might require an upfront investment but pays dividends in the long run. If solar panels are out of reach initially, start with smaller steps like solar water heaters or outdoor solar lighting. Simultaneously, focus on water conservation through rainwater harvesting and greywater systems. These efforts significantly reduce utility bills and our environmental footprint. Lastly, embrace the art of upcycling and handicrafts. Look at items through a lens of potential. What could this become? From refurbishing furniture to creating garden tools from scrap metal, every project not only saves money but also equips you with valuable skills. Plus, diving into crafts like woodworking, sewing, or metalworking can transform from a hobby into a source of income or gifts. This journey towards a more self-sufficient homestead is paved with learning, growth, and a deepening respect for the natural world. Each step, from gardening to upcycling, is a move towards a life less dependent on external systems, a life that's sustainable, fulfilling, and deeply connected to the earth. At Bountiful Homestead, we're here to guide you through each of these steps, offering insights, tips, and community support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.